So next is control button. Okay, so there are some control buttons in the MSW logo screen. In MSW logo screen there are the control buttons. Okay, there are some control buttons. These buttons are used to perform different tasks. The control buttons are used to perform various tasks or different types of tasks. Okay, the following area of the buttons found on a MSW logo screen. Okay, so control buttons are execute button, status button, trace button, halt button, reset button and stop button. Okay, so firstly we see the execute button. After typing a command in the input box, after we type a command in the input box, we click this button to run the command. Okay, the next is status bar. It is display a status window showing the current. It is display status window showing the current settings in logo. Okay, then clicking on it again close the window, then we clicking again it close windows. Okay, then trace button, it turns on tracing for errors in your programs. It turns or tracing errors in our program. It is not only traces but also remove errors from the program. It is remove errors from the program. So you can turn tracing on or off even while logo is running. Okay, the next is halt button. It immediately stops logo from pressing further. Okay, then rest button, it clears the logo output screen. The reset button is clears the logo output the screen. Okay, then stop button, it runs single stepping for dubbing our programs. It turns single but it turns dubbing our programs. So you can turn single stepping on off even when logo is running. Okay, next is pause button. It stops the executing of logo programs temporarily so that programs can be examined once again and changes can be implemented. Okay, so to continue the programs, you can either give a continue buttons. Okay, we can give a continue button or click on the cancel button. Okay, and then click on cancel button. So please note that halt button stops the execution permanently, whereas the pause button will stop it for a short while. Okay, then logo primitives. Look at this picture. Boy say, when we start MSW logo, the turtle is at the center position. Okay, which is called its home position. This is the home position of this turtle. Okay, then next is forward command. The forward command is used to move the turtle forward steps by step. The forward command is used to move the turtle by forward. Okay, forward step by step. The short for forward is FD. The short form of forward is FD, means forward command. Okay, so follow the steps given below to use the forward commands. So follow the steps for using forward command. So firstly we type forward or FD. Firstly type forward or FD, then press the space bar key. Then press the space bar key. Then type in the number of steps. Then type the number of steps. Press the enter key. Then press on enter key. So that the format is FD is less than number of steps or greater or FD is less than number of steps. Okay. For example, the forward 80 or FD 80 moves the turtle forward by 80 steps and draws a straight line. So some important points are, when we give a forward command, the turtle will move in the direction. When we give a forward command, then the turtle will move in the direction, the top of the triangle is pointing. Okay, the next is a single space must be given to the command and the number. The command forward or FD is always followed by the number of steps. The FD command is followed by the number of steps. There must be a single space between the command. In this command, the single space between, okay, and the number of steps. Then forward command. This command moves the turtle in the backward direction. This backward command is used to move turtle in backward direction. The short form from backward is BK. The short form of backward is BK. So while the turtle moves backward, its head remains pointed upward. When the turtle moves backward, its head is remain pointed on the upward side by giving number of steps. So to use these commands, follow the steps. So follow the steps to use this command. Firstly, type backward or BK. Firstly, type backward or BK, then press the spacebar key. Then press on spacebar key, then type in the number of steps, then press the enter key. So the format is backward is less than number of steps or BK number of steps. So let's just give the command BK 60. So command BK is 60. This command moves the turtle 60 steps backward. This command is move turtle is 60 steps backward. Okay, so understand.